test message for all Pennsylvania counties. At 11 a.m. on Wednesday, April 20th, 2022, this test message is being issued in coordination with the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency to support participation in the Spring All Hazards exercise. This exercise message should be utilized in any exercise activities for participating agencies. Once again, this is a test message from the National Weather Service for all Pennsylvania counties. No need to acknowledge this test.